How to delete WhatsApp status. Hey there, welcome to Insightful Tutorials. Do you want to delete your WhatsApp status permanently but don't know how? If yes, then you are watching the right video. Without further ado, let's get started. Open WhatsApp on your device. You will land on the chat section. Tap on the Updates tab available at the bottom. Then tap on My Status. Now you will see all the statuses you have posted. As you can see, I currently have 2 active statuses. To delete a status, tap on the 3 vertical dots next to the status you want to delete. Then a menu will appear. Here, you will see the option for delete. Tap on it. A confirmation pop-up will appear asking if you are sure. Finally, tap on the delete option and boom! You have successfully deleted a WhatsApp status permanently. Similarly, you can delete the other statuses as well. That's it for today's video. If you found this video insightful, please don't forget to hit the like button and make sure to subscribe to our channel for more insightful tutorials.